Greetings YouTube! This is very much unplanned. You find me down here on the Cumbrian Coast. I woke up this morning, turned on my phone, as one does when one wakes up, had a look and discovered there's two engineering trains due down the coast. And I can see the first one arriving. That's how little planning this has had. Let me actually stop doing this. Let's watch the train. So there we go, train 1 has passed. Flippin' heck, I should be more organised. That was the first of 2 engineering trains, of ballasting trains, that have been down at Grange, where the sinkhole has opened. You may have seen pictures. The work is now finished, the line is due to open on Monday. I'm filming this on Saturday morning. And now they obviously need to get rid of the trains. Don't know why they've come north and south, I'm not informed. So, I now need to go and find a slightly different location to film train 2. This morning has not gone well. My tripod is broken. I'm doing this all handheld. It never rains but it pours, doesn't it? I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix that tripod leg. It has literally just fallen off and a lot of bits came with it. And I didn't have the time to check, so we shall see. We shall see. I'll have to have a look at that when I get home. Yeesh. Right. What am I doing? I have about 15 minutes to move. I might not move that far, actually. Yeah, probably not. We'll adjust ourselves slightly. Take a slightly different shot. Yes, I should actually do that. Yes, I should do that, right. Well, this is turning into one of them mornings, isn't it? So I decided that staying at the same place to take Vert to the same shop with hopefully a slightly different engine was... I wanted to do something different. I was going to say the word boring there, but no. I wanted to do something different. So I've come a little bit further down from just south of Flimby to just north of Siddick, along the Cumbrian Coast. I didn't say I was at Flimby at the last one, did I? Well, I was. Now I'm at Siddick. And I thought, you know what? Only the bottom part of the leg fell off my tripod. I'll see if I can just plonk it. It should be fine if I don't adjust that. The panhead has now seized. And that is why I have then gone for this rather crooked angle and only put my mobile phone, which is a relatively light device, sat atop it to give me something of a backup shot. You don't win them all. You don't win them all. But we are here. And I can hear birds. That's nice. I have no idea where the next train's due because it's on my phone and my phone's set up. I will have a look in a moment. Hopefully it won't be too long, but they are running late. The first was running late and then the second one's running late behind that, and they're now probably trying to squeeze into gaps in the timetable, so... My head says it should have been here 15 minutes ago. I'm glad it wasn't here 15 minutes ago because it would have taken me that long to set up. It was a bit of a overly bold move moving, but I seem to have got away with it. Unless the train passed... Oh no, that's not a thought I want to have. Did the train pass whilst I was driving? I don't think it did. That's definitely its opportunity. Now I need to look. Now I need to look. That is what you call getting caught off guard. I was like, just looked at my phone, it's like 11. It passed work at 11. It's 11:02. Great, it should be. Oh, it's there. Oh well. Train scene. Not from the best vantage point. stuck in my little hole, but didn't have time to scrabble. Main point is, I have at least been out and I've seen a Class 56 and a Class 70 pulling two separate trains up the Cumbrian Coast within 45 minutes of each other. That's a nice way to start a Saturday, even if this and this isn't. But like I say, you can't win them all. I got the video shots, so I'll take that as some evidence that it doesn't always go smoothly to plan. But you know, you get out there, you go see, and it's nice to see them, and it's nice to hear the thrum of the diesel engine go past. I've got to say, I prefer the chuff of a steam engine personally, but you know, it's rails, and it rolls on rails, so I'm quite happy. So, anyway, this doesn't get itself edited. I'd better get home, get this packed up carefully, and see what damages actually happened to my tripod, and maybe put this into some sort of digestible content. Actually, something I need to do before I pack up and head home. Come here. Is it my breakfast? Just how rushed it was. Right beside a railway line. Cheers. And you feel a bit battered and crummy? Perfect. Bustle, bustle, bustle.